What is the purpose and utility of the Subok option in numpy_zeros_like? Using numpy_zeros_like and related functions, there is an option. Subok, bool, optional.number.zeros_like, a, d type equals none, order equals k, subok equals true. If true, then the newly created array will use the subclass type of a. Otherwise it will be a base class array. Defaults to true. I assumed all numpy arrays were of class int_array, and I've never had a need to look in detail at an array's subclass. Under what situations might I want to opt out of using the same subclass? Specify the use of the base class.
What is the purpose and utility? Purpose. The call signature helps either pass through the processed instance type, as seen here. On the contrary, if not willing to reprocess both the dot shape and instantiate the same class, using subok equals false, the produced *_alike will not get the same class. As the example, the process was given to make the *_alike generated output. Utility. These subok flags are common in more numpy functions, not only the *_like s, also in np.array, ... for the very same purpose, as it is pretty useful for smart type modifying code designs, where desired type of the product is known to the generating process and the results are thus achieved without undue class-related overheads, if ex post modifications were needed otherwise.
Ваши почему?